Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we break down confusing tax topics into easy to understand explanations. Today, we're tackling the question, what does Code 152 mean from the IRS for 2025? If you've ever gotten an IRS notice with this code and felt a wave of confusion, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First off, IRS Code 152 is part of the Internal Revenue Code that deals with dependents. Specifically, it defines who qualifies as a dependent on your tax return. This could be a child, a relative, or even someone else who meets certain criteria. Why does this matter? Well, claiming a dependent can give you valuable tax credits and deductions, potentially saving you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. For 2025, there might be some updates based on recent tax law changes. The core of Code 152 remains focused on two main categories: qualifying children and qualifying relatives. A qualifying child must be under 19 or 24 if a full-time student, live with you for more than half the year, and not provide more than half of their own support. On the other hand, a qualifying relative doesn't have to live with you but must rely on you for more than half of their support and have income below a certain threshold set by the IRS. Let me give you a quick example to make this crystal clear. Say you're a parent with a 16-year-old kid who lives with you full-time and you cover most of their expenses. They could qualify as your dependent under Code 152, allowing you to claim the child tax credit. But if your adult sibling lives independently and earns a good salary, they probably wouldn't qualify. Now, if you receive a notice with Code 152, it might mean the IRS is questioning your dependent claim or needs more information. Don't panic. Gather your documentation like birth certificates, proof of residency, and financial records, and respond promptly to avoid any penalties. In summary, understanding Code 152 can help you maximize your tax benefits while staying compliant. If this sounds complicated, I highly recommend consulting a tax professional or using IRS resources. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tax tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.